Hello there, I'm Lee from iGas Heating Limited. I'm a professional plumbing heating engineer based in Hertfordshire, and today I'm going to be talking about the Uponor Q&E Shrink Fit system. The Uponor Q&E Shrink Fit is an innovative pipe jointing system for PEX pipe that utilises a shrink back effect to create a secure joint. The pipework and fittings come in a range of different sizes from 12mm, 16mm, all the way up to 63mm pipework. They're suitable for radiators, tap water connections, and for me personally, the 16mm is great for domestic hot and cold water supplies. The key part of this jointing system is the expansion tools. They come in three different sizes. This is the M12, which does 12mm to 25mm pipework. Then you've got the M18, which does 12mm to 40mm pipework. And then you've got this bad boy, which is the M18 VLD, which does 40mm to 63mm pipework. Let me show you just how quick and easy this system really is. This bad boy. It's as quick and easy as that. As you can see, after only a couple of minutes, this joint is now completely secure. No need for any glues, no hot works, which makes it a lot safer, a lot cleaner, and a lot faster. Now for the technical bit. The connection works by a molecular cross-linking within the pipe itself. So when you expand the pipe, it literally shrinks back and fixes itself around the fitting. There's no O-rings or other moving parts, and because you can review the connection itself, it's 100% reliable. Once a joint is made, it's also extremely tough, and tests have shown it is able to withstand up to 1,300 kilograms of force without failure. Let me show you just how quick and easy it is again to make the joint. First of all, get your pipe cutters, standard plastic pipe cutters. Cut yourself a nice clean joint with no edges. Then you get your Q&E ring. Insert this onto the end of the pipe. Most important thing to remember is to make sure it reaches the stoppers inside. Then you get your Milwaukee expansion tool, M12, because it's a 16mm pipe. Insert it into the end of the pipe. You do not need to force it, just let the tool do the work. Hold the trigger. As you can see, it's expanded the joint nice and evenly. Then you get your fit in. The longer you leave it, the stronger the joint gets. Main key benefits for me personally is the flexibility of the pipe. While it is flexible, it's also quite rigid. Due to the molecular cross-linking in the pipe itself, it's much less likely to kink compared to other brands. Really useful for going underneath floors, across lofts, down walls. Let's talk about these fittings again. The Q&E rings, as mentioned before, they come in three different colours. You've got blue, red, and you've also got white. Each colour does exactly the same job, as long as you use the right size ring for the right size pipe. One of the key benefits of Uponor Q&E Shrink Fit system is its versatility and the ability to retrofit it to existing copper systems. For example, this is 16mm pipe. Most domestic systems, you've got 15mm copper inside. What they make is this transition coupling. So one side is for end feed 15mm copper, the other side is for the 16mm Q&E. They make this throughout the range. It goes from 12mm to 32mm Uponor, 15mm to 28mm copper. And then from the video you'll see just how easy it is to do on a 15mm copper system.